Our people have made a living on these shores.
Ah, ayun, isda. Mga isda.
Fish na.
Gathering shells,
Tapos,
catching fish, and diving.
Nakakatakot.
nakakatakot nga to.
These waters contain a roof of the
Black lady.
sea bream, tuna, and hammock.
Hamog.
Our
Ayun.
forefathers made their nets and fish
Ayun.
traps from woven palm leaves. Their boats were made of palm sticks bound together with ropes. Sudden storms and high winds meant that fishing was dangerous but rewarding. Fish that wasn't eaten immediately was hung up to dry for preservation. Some of it was
May ibon, no?
some exchanged with trade or others like tea.
Chicken yan na yan.
Chicken ba yun?
Most of our homes were rich, made of date palm sticks and mats. Although some were
Ah,
built
yeah.
with materials
May
from the
deer.
seashore. Coral
The deer.
The walls reflected their essence. Inside, the rooms
Ayun si Kuya, oh.
in the midday heat.
Ano nagawa ni Kuya? Ah, yung bangka. Ito,
Oh, camel.
camel. Ano kami? Camel.
Rice fish. Camel.
Ah, yung mga camel, oh. Ay, si Baba. Si Baba. Baba, nag-uusap nila, kaingay nila. Ano nga nasabi mo?
We always know noble creatures which can endure the blaze of
Camel. Camel. Ah, ito pa, kalaki camel. Oh, laki camel yun.
Their dung is used as their hair to make
Camel.
their leather to make
Basta.
stripes and sandals. The camel is truly a gift of God.
Uh,
Perfectly adapted to life in the desert. These camels have been loaded with dates, dried fish, household goods, and food. They used to
Ito yung camel na malaki.
to reach the oases inland at Liwa and Al-Ain, along routes that camels have traveled for generations. Camel trains
Al-Ain.
carried wood, charcoal, food, and oil back and forth between the coast and the inland oases, bringing much needed supplies. They also transported their
Kapag ka sa camel?
from the coast to the oases to escape
Ikot ba to?
the summer humidity.
Ano na iba?
Yun na yun.
Ah,
Ay, camel.
madilim. Hindi
Sige
makita.
na, oh.
Hindi makita.
Parang ano na yun, dead na yun. Pinatuyo lang, hindi totoong camel. Ano na yan?